Hi students, today we discuss about the isotopes, isobars and isotones. So first we discuss about the isotopes. So isotopes, the concept isotopes was given by Soddy, scientist Soddy in the radioactivity. So here iso means same. So isotopes means the definition, the elements having the same atomic number but different mass numbers that are called the isotopes. Generally, every element is represented by ZXA. Here Z is the atomic number, X is the symbol of that element, A is the atomic weight or mass number. Here Z indicates the atomic number. Atomic number means the number of electrons or the number of protons present in the atom. So Z is equal to number of electrons or number of protons present in the atom. A means mass number or atomic weight. A is equal to number of protons plus neutrons present in the atom. So here isotopes means the elements having the same atomic number but different mass numbers that are called the isotopes. All the isotopes they having the same number of electrons and protons because atomic number means number of electrons or number of protons. So all the elements that are called that having the number of electrons and protons are same. So here number of electrons are same. So all the isotopes they exhibits the similar chemical properties because number of electrons are same. So all elements they exhibits the same chemical properties but different physical properties. Examples, isotopes examples: 1H1, 1H2, 1H3. Hydrogen they having the three isotopes. 1H1 that is called the normal hydrogen. 1H2 that is called the deuterium. 1H3 that is called the tritium. First we calculate the number of electrons, protons and neutrons. Here 1, this is the atomic number 1. 1 means number of electrons is equal to 1, protons is equal to 1, number of neutrons 1 minus 1 0. Only one element in the periodic table that does not having the electrons, that is the hydrogen. Remaining all elements in the periodic table they having the electrons, protons and neutrons. Only hydrogen does not contains the neutrons. Here deuterium 1H2. So electrons 1, protons 1, neutrons is equal to 2 minus 1 1. Tritium electrons 1, atomic number 1, electrons 1, protons 1, neutrons 3 minus 1 2. So here observe all the isotopes they having the number of electrons and protons are equal. So these are the isotopes. Take the another example: 17Cl35, 17Cl37. Here atomic number Z is equal to 17. So chlorine they having the electrons 17, protons 17, number of neutrons 35 minus 17 18. 17Cl37 electrons 17, protons 17, number of neutrons 20. So here also the number of electrons and protons are equal. So here these two examples, number of electrons are equal, so they having the similar chemical properties but physical properties are different. Next we discuss about the isobars. Next one, isobars. Isobars means different elements having the same mass number but different atomic numbers. So here the elements are expressed in the Z-axis. Here upper values are equal. If you are taking the two elements, in the two elements they having the same mass number but different atomic numbers that are called the isobars. Example 6C14, 7 and 14. Observe that one. Different atomic numbers but same mass number. So that are called the isobars. Another example 18Ar40 20Ca40. Here also different atomic numbers. The elements are also different, but the mass numbers are same. That type of substances are called the isobars. Finally, different elements, they having the same mass number but different atomic numbers, that are called the isobars. Example 6C14, 7 and 14. Another example 18Ar40, 20Ca40. Next we discuss about the isotones. Next, third one, isotones. Isotones means different elements having the same number of neutrons. Same number of neutrons, that are called the isotones. So here atomic number is different. Atomic number different. Mass number is also different. Atomic number different, mass number different, but they having the same number of neutrons. So that are called the isotones. How to calculate the same neutrons? A minus Z value. A is the atomic weight or mass number. Z is the atomic number. So Na is equal to number of neutrons, N is equal to A minus Z. So to calculating the number of neutrons, we are using the formula N is equal to A minus Z. Different atomic number, different mass numbers, but the elements having the same number of neutrons, that are called the isotones. So now we discuss about the examples. Here two examples are there. 19K39, 20Ca40. See that one. Atomic numbers different, mass numbers also different. To calculate the number of neutrons, N is equal to A minus Z. Simply we can say number of neutrons is equal to subtracting upper value minus lower value. So 39 minus 19, that is equal to 20. Here also number of neutrons is equal to 40 minus 20, that is equal to 20. So number of neutrons here same, 20, 20. So these two are the isotones. Different atomic numbers, different mass numbers. They having the same number of neutrons, 20 neutrons, 20 neutrons. Another example, fluorine 9F19, neon 10Ne20. These are also different atomic numbers, different mass numbers, but the number of neutrons 19 minus 9, 10, 20 minus 10, 10. So the number of neutrons are common. So these are called the isotones. Finally, isotopes means same atomic number, that are called the isotopes. Isobars means same mass number, different elements, they having the same mass number, that are called the isobars. Isotones means different elements, they having the different mass numbers, but they having the same number of neutrons, that are called the isotones. Thank you for everyone.